asked somebody who is just a great friend of the show. He's going to be out at the San Francisco Invest Like a Monster conference. It is the one and only Dan Fitzpatrick, the chart guy for Jim Cramer, and, of course, Real Money contributor. Dan, great to have you, my friend.
Hey, thanks for having me, John. I appreciate it.
What do you think about this jobs number? What do you think the impact will be today? Or do you think it takes longer to play out, or maybe that it fought to a draw, and that given that how bad December was with the revision to November, people are looking past it?
No, I think they are looking forward on this. I agree with Zach in that I don't think it's really that important anymore. And also that's the type I've studied unemployment and how it impacts the job or how it impacts the stock market, equities in the future, and it's really sporadic. I mean, equities are leading; they always lead with respect to unemployment, and they're telling us that things are going to get better, but I don't know whether they're better yet. I think the last few months have been kind of strange, with all these revisions. So I'm already looking past it. I think there's so much money flowing into this, into the economy, that there's only one way for equities to go, and that's up.
Interesting. Is there a sector in particular, Dan, that you and because I know folks, and if you go to stockmarketmentor.com, you will see all kinds of great information. You'll even see videos that Dan does every day. Dan, virtually every day you're doing a video there?
Yeah, I am. It's funny. I've learned throughout the years, people hate to read. They don't read as much as it's just easier to click on a video and watch. And it's easier for me, frankly, because I can be a little chatty, as you know, and so it's just real easy for me to explain things that way in a video format where we're really drawing on charts and looking at different time frames. So, the three, just speaking, U.S. equities, the three sectors that I'm interested in right now are, number one, financials. They've been trading sideways, and I'm thinking more over the last 6 months or so. They've been trading sideways for quite a while in a volatility squeeze. And, you and your brother are the kings of volatility analysis. And financials look to me, some of them have already taken off just over the last week or so. Bank of America, J.P. Morgan, Morgan Stanley. The credit card companies like MasterCard and Visa are also starting to move. And that almost seems like too easy a trade, but sometimes the easy trades work. The other is industrials. Those are also starting to work. Look at Jacobs Engineering, that's JEC, which I really look at as kind of a barometer for the infrastructure group. And that's moving well. Caterpillar, John Deere, or Deere & Company as they call it now. Also, don't give up on tech. There's been money rotation out of that. It's coming back in. Tech's coming back to a buy point.
Thank you, Dan. Great stuff. Folks, Dan
My
Fitzpatrick,
pleasure.
Stock Market Mentor. He'll be out at our Invest Like a Monster. If you go to investlikeamonster.com, you'll see all about it. Dan, one of our great friends, and he'll be out there January 29th and 30th. Here comes Scott Blyer.